Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to get dark mode on Snapchat. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily get dark mode on Snapchat. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to revise, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if it happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe now to turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store. Now once you open your app store over here, all you need to do is to just search for your Snapchat. Now once you search for your Snapchat application, make sure it is updated. So if your Snapchat is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Snapchat, all you want to do is to just go ahead and then open your Snapchat. Now once you open your Snapchat, click on your profile at the top left. Now once you click on that, click on settings over here at the top right corner, and scroll to where you can see app appearance. Click on that and you can see always dark. Now click on always dark and you can see over here, with this you can easily use dark mode on your Snapchat. So you can see over here, now I have enabled dark mode on my Snapchat. So with this you can easily turn on dark mode on your Snapchat. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video